Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing number 134. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 4, 3 here, so 4, 7, and no help here, 3, 4, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here means this is our 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 3, and no other help, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. No help here, 1, 3, 8. No help here, 1, 3, 8. And no help here, 1, 3, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 3, 8 here, so 2, 3. And that means our 8 for that row has to be here. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. And we can get rid of this 3. That means that in this box, the only place our 3 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 8. No help here, 4, 5, 8. 5 here, so 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 for this box, so this is 4, 8, 7, 9, and a 4 here. That means this is our 8, 4. I don't see any other help. Oh, wait. That 4 makes this our 7, so this would be our 9. That 7 makes this our 4. That 8 makes this our 5. And now we can get rid of this 5, this 8. And with this 3, that makes this our 1, 2, 3. And this 1 makes this our 3. 1 and 3 makes this our 8. And that 3 and 8 makes this our 1. If we look at this column now, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this box, we're only missing a 2. For this column, then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here. So 7, 5. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. For this row now we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this top row we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 3 here means this is our 5, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 7. 6 here, so 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got the 4 here and the 8 here. That means this is our 6. That makes this our 4, 8, 4, 6. That 6 makes this our 7, 1, 6, 1, 9, 1. For this box now we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. And to finish out this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.